Hi ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect users in Singapore. Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through how to send an invoice to IRAS via InvoiceNow network with ABSS Accounting Connect or ABSS Premier Connect. To begin, open the sales entry screen. First, make sure you are on the invoice layout, then select the customer you wish to bill. Once the customer is selected, enter all relevant invoice details into the item lines. Once your invoice is ready, click the Record button. A prompt will appear asking if you want to send this invoice via InvoiceNow. Click Yes and enter your login credentials to connect your ABSS software to the ABSS Connect web portal. After logging in, a confirmation message will appear. Click Send and wait briefly while the system processes your transaction. Once complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your invoice has been successfully sent via the InvoiceNow network. We hope this guide helps you streamline your accounting processes. Thank you for watching.